So the waiter looks at me and says, "Still or sparkling?" And I panic. I look him right in the eye and I say, "Yes."
Yes? Sam, you can't say yes to still or sparkling. Hello and welcome to British English with Tess. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam. Hello.
Today, we're taking you to a British restaurant, ordering food in English from the moment you walk in, right up to the moment you pay.
It's level A2 to B1. Nice and clear, nothing complicated. Just real phrases you'll actually use.
By the end, you'll know how to get a table, order food and drinks like a polite Brit, and this is the big one. We'll give you the one phrase you need before you can leave any restaurant in Britain. Don't miss that.
That phrase would have saved me a very long, very awkward evening. True story. We'll get to it.
We will. Captions on. Repeat the phrases out loud with us, and don't worry about mistakes.
We make plenty.
Lovely. Let's begin. Right. Sam, before the role play, finish your story. The waiter said, "Still or sparkling?" You said, "Yes." And then what?
Honestly. Silence. He just looked at me. I looked at him. It felt like a whole year, Tess. And in the end, he brought me both. 2 bottles of water.
Both. Oh no.
And I paid for both. Most expensive panic of my life.
Okay. So here's the plan. Tonight, we go back to the restaurant. And this time, you get it right. I'll be the waiter.
A redemption story. Love it. Listeners, you're coming with me. Friday evening, a nice little place in London. And fair warning, I'm starving. I skipped lunch.
You skipped lunch before a restaurant episode?
Professional preparation, Tess.
Right. Deep breath. Here we go. Good evening. Welcome to the Rose Garden. Do you have a reservation?
Good evening. No, we don't, I'm afraid. Could we have a table for 2, please?
Of course. Would you like the table by the window?
Oh, lovely. Yes, please.
Here you are. And here's the menu. I'll give you a minute.
Thank you very much.
Quick one before we carry on. That first line is gold. Could we have a table for 2, please? 2 people, table for 2. 5 people, table for 5. Say it now out loud. A table for 2, please.
Lovely stuff. I heard you. Right, menu time. Oh, here we go. They've got fish and chips.
Of course they have. Now, on a British menu, you'll usually see starters, the small dishes, and main courses, the big ones.
And I'm having both. Obviously. I told you, no lunch. Quick question though. What if I see something on the menu and I have no idea what it is? Pie of the day? What pie? Which day?
Great question. Just ask. Excuse me, what's the pie of the day? Or, what does it come with? Waiters answer those questions all day long. Nobody minds.
What does it come with? That's a good one, because sometimes you order a steak and you get just a steak. Alone, on a big white plate.
The saddest plate in Britain. And if you don't eat meat, easy. Is it vegetarian, or do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Lovely. Okay, I know what I'm having. What about you, Tess? What are you having?
I'll have the chicken salad, I think. Light and lovely.
A salad. At a restaurant with sticky toffee pudding on the menu. Tess.
Some of us ate lunch, Sam. Right, the waiter's coming back. Are you ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend?
The tomato soup's very good today.
Perfect. I'll have the soup as a starter, please.
Lovely. And for your main course?
Could I have the fish and chips, please?
Good choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling? Sir?
Still, please. Ha! Did you hear that? Not yes. Still.
Redemption! I'm so proud of you.
Years of pain, Tess. Years.
Okay, quickly. For everyone listening, this is all it means. Still water, no bubbles. Sparkling water, bubbles, that's it. That's the whole mystery.
And here's the money-saving tip. You can just say, tap water, please. It's free, and every restaurant in Britain has to give it to you.
True. So, what about you at home? Still, sparkling, or tap? Say it out loud. Full sentence. Still, please.
I can hear millions of people saying, tap water, please. Sensible people.
Right. While we wait for the food, one more useful thing. Sam, we just walked in tonight, but on a busy Friday, what should we have done?
Booked a table. Yes, good point. On the phone or online, you just say, I'd like to book a table for 2 at 7 o'clock, please.
That's it. I'd like to book a table for 2. Then they ask your name and you're done. 30 seconds.
And if you didn't book and the restaurant's full, they'll say, I'm afraid we're fully booked. And you say, no worries, thank you. And go and find chips somewhere. There are always chips somewhere.
Britain in one sentence. Okay, food's arriving. The soup, sir. Careful. Hot plate.
Thank you. Oh, that's delicious.
Delicious. Use it when food's really good. Or keep it simple. This is amazing.
And then the fish and chips landed. Tess, golden, crispy. Beautiful.
Salt and vinegar.
Obviously, that's the law. If you visit Britain, chips, salt, vinegar. Trust me on this.
He's right, you know. Oh, but tell them about the water. Because the waiter brought you the wrong one, didn't he?
He did. Sparkling. Bubbles everywhere. The universe was laughing at me. Now, old me would have said nothing and just drunk it sadly.
That's what most learners do. They go quiet.
Right. But fixing it is so easy. You just say, excuse me. Sorry, I asked for still water.
That's it. Excuse me. A little sorry. Then the problem. Very British. Soft, polite, nobody's upset.
Excuse me, sorry. I think this is the wrong order. That shape works for anything.
Try it with us out loud. Excuse me. Sorry, I asked for still water.
Perfect. Oh. And while we're here, how do you call a waiter over in Britain? Because please, don't snap your fingers.
Oh, no. Never. Snap your fingers at a British waiter and they will remember you forever.
And not in a good way.
Just catch their eye, give a little smile, maybe a small hand raise. And when they come over, excuse me. Done. Quiet and polite wins every time here.
Quiet and polite. Basically Britain's national motto.
Pretty much. Quick memory check, everyone. When Sam ordered his fish and chips, what did he say? Was it, give me fish and chips?
Never. Give me sounds really rude in English. I said, could I have the fish and chips, please?
Could I have? Honestly, those 3 words will carry you through Britain. Restaurants, cafes, shops, taxis, everywhere.
Plus a please on the end. We say please and thank you about 15 times per meal. Here, it's a national sport.
It really is. Right, we're halfway through the meal. Stay with us because in a few minutes I'm slowing every phrase right down so you can practice properly. But first, Sam, the dessert menu.
Oh no.
Oh yes, How was everything?
Lovely, thank you very much.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
I shouldn't. I'm full. I am completely full. What have you got?
Chocolate cake, ice cream, and sticky toffee pudding. Sir?
One sticky toffee pudding, please. With ice cream. No regrets.
I'm completely full. 10 seconds. It took 10 seconds.
Tess. Sticky toffee pudding is not a dessert, it's an emergency. Warm toffee sauce? Come on. Be serious.
Anything else?
No, that's everything, thank you.
You'll hear that little exchange every single time. Anything else? No, that's everything, thank you. Or just, no, that's all, thanks.
And while I destroy this pudding, question for you at home. What would you order? Cake, ice cream, or the pudding? Out loud. I'll have the...
Good. So, pudding gone. Plates empty, drinks finished. And now, Sam. The moment. The phrase from the start of the show.
the one I needed all those years ago. Because here's the thing about Britain, and this surprises everyone. The waiter will not bring you the bill until you ask for it.
Right. They think it's rude to rush you. You could sit there until midnight and they just keep smiling at you.
Which is exactly what happened to me. 45 minutes, Tess. 45 minutes of me waving sadly at nobody.
So, go on. Say the magic words.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course, sir. Right away. There it is. Could we have the bill, please? And note, in Britain it's the bill. Americans say check. Here, always the bill.
And have a look when it arrives. If you see service included, the tip is already in there. No maths needed.
Lovely tip. Right, moment of truth. Here's the bill.
Ah, right, okay. The pudding was worth it. Mostly worth it.
Eyes bigger than your stomach?
Every single time. Great expression, by the way. Eyes bigger than your stomach. It means you ordered more than you could actually eat.
The most Sam expression in the English language. Shall we split it?
Split it. Yes, please. That means we each pay half, everyone. Completely normal between friends here.
So look at that. Table for two, the menu, a starter, a main course. You survived still or sparkling.
I said, could I have... Like a gentleman, I fixed a wrong order politely. I had the world's greatest pudding. And I got the bill. Full redemption.
Genuinely proud. Right. Stay with me, everyone. Let's lock those 8 phrases into your memory. Here are our 8 phrases from tonight. Say each one with me. Number 1. A table for 2, please. Your first line in any restaurant. Count your people. A table for 2, a table for 4. For example, good evening. A table for 2, please. Simple and polite. Number 2. The menu. The list of all the food and drinks. Could we see the menu, please? And when you're travelling, is there an English menu? Very useful. Number 3. Starter. Now, do you remember what Sam ate first before the fish and chips? That's right. The tomato soup. That was his starter, the small dish before the big one. I'll have the soup as a starter. Number 4. Main course. The big dish, the heart of the meal. For my main course, I'll have the chicken. On some British menus, you'll just see the word mains. Number 5. I'll have... The easiest way to order anything. I'll have the soup, please. I'll have the chocolate cake. Waiters hear it 100 times a day. Number 6. Could I have the extra polite version? And do you remember the 2 words we never use? Exactly. Give me. Too direct. It sounds rude in English. Instead, could I have the fish and chips, please? Those words open every door in Britain. Number 7. Still or sparkling? Sam's old enemy. Still. No bubbles. Sparkling. Bubbles. Still. Please. And remember the free option? Just tap water, please. And number 8. The phrase that would have saved Sam 45 minutes of sad waving. Could we have the bill, please? The bill is the paper that shows how much you pay. And remember, in Britain, the waiter won't bring it until you ask. So learn this one by heart. Say it with me. Could we have the bill, please? Once more. Could we have the bill, please? Wonderful. Now you'll always get home. Lovely work. Now let's practice slowly. I'll say each phrase, you repeat in the gap, and I'll say it once more. Ready? A table for 2, please. A table for 2, please. Could we see the menu, please? Could we see the menu, please? I'll have the soup as a starter. I'll have the soup as a starter. Could I have the fish and chips, please? Could I have the fish and chips, please? Still or sparkling? Still or sparkling? Just tap water, please. Just tap water, please. Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Beautiful. Say them again tonight, out loud, a little louder each time. Your mouth needs the practice as much as your ears. And that's it for today. You can now walk into any British restaurant, get a table, order like a local, fix a wrong order politely, and actually get home afterwards. You did brilliantly. And practice tonight, even alone in your kitchen. Could I have the pasta, please? It counts. I do it. If this helped you, please subscribe and turn the captions on. It really does help us grow. And join us next time because we're talking about small talk and why you should stop saying, "How are you?" British people barely say it. And wait till you hear what we say instead. Such a good one. Thank you for listening. I'm Tess.
And I'm Sam.
Bye for now.
Bye.